How to use Amazon Locker at checkout. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Amazon Locker at checkout. So let's get started. First of all, you're going to head over and open Amazon application. Then you're going to go to the search bar and simply type in Amazon Locker. So once you type in, you'll be able to see a couple of options. So you're going to ignore everything. You're going to just click on pick up and returns. Click on it and you'll be redirected to another interface. So when you open this section and scroll down, you'll see a list of available Amazon lockers nearby. These locations are automatically organized by distance, starting with the closest one to you. There's also a map view where you can zoom in or out if you want to explore more locker locations in a wider area, such as across an entire city or region. And if you're trying to find a locker in a specific location, you can search by entering a zip code instead. You also have the option to change your country using the settings at the top of the screen, which is helpful if you're traveling or ordering internationally. And once you find the Amazon locker you want to use, simply tap on it and add it to your address book. Now, when you go to your cart and proceed to checkout, scroll down and select change delivery address. You'll be taken to a page where you can choose Amazon locker as your delivery option. Just select the locker you added, confirm it, and your order will be shipped there. So when your package arrives, Amazon will send you a unique 5-character pickup code made up of letters and numbers. Enter that code at the locker screen to put the compartment and collect your package, or to complete a return if needed. So that is basically how you can use Amazon Locker at checkout. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.